Alright, I got this keyboard and mouse off of Amazon. This is definitely a different keyboard than I've ever seen before. The letters, the keys are definitely higher. That's not a flat board. And I'm not sure I'm going to like it or not. I just got it out of the package, so I haven't had a chance to try it. It came with a brush. Not exactly sure what that's for unless it's decoration. But I guess a brush for cleaning out dirt. Has a mouse, and on the back it has the adapter that you put in your laptop. I'm not one for using that pad, that's on the keyboard. I like to use a mouse. I have a lot more maneuverability, and I can type a lot faster, or move the cursor around with a mouse versus I can with that flat pad on the laptop. Anyhow, I'll give this thing a shot. The keys do feel pretty responsive. I mean, when they go in, you can type. It has the raised spot on the J and the F, so you can find it when you're typing away. But like I said, it feels kind of weird when you push down the button and you can feel the key below it. So I don't know how it's going to actually be once I start typing.